Tell her to get out. Tell her it's time for your nap. Henry. Get off her. You got her tail, honey. Tell her, go on. Say, go on, kitty. She's going to sleep. Are you going to go sleep? Hang on just a second, sweetie. I was trying to see if Nolly would get out of bed, but she doesn't want to move. He's going to lay on her. There you go. Go sleep.
I can't get back to where we put this on.
Hang on. This is surely going to get her out. Tell her, go on. Tell her, go on. Oh, honey, that's probably hurts her.
I think Plants vs. Zombies the best.
She's not leaving? Does that mean you're willing to leave? Riley.
I really can't get this.
Nolly, you just gotta go, sis. Come on. Come on. Come on. Get up. Come on, you gotta go. Come on. Oh, we got your blankie. Now we're happy. Oh, peekaboo. You're going to sleep.
Zombies.
Are you going to share your bed with that cat? I'm not really excited about this plan. Oh, light. Hang on, Riley, sweetie, just another minute. He's laying on top of her. She doesn't want to go, does she? Say meow meow. Meow meow. Whoa. Oh, you're going to hurt her. Oh, you're going to rub the tail. I cannot believe she will not get out. Alright, I'm going to turn this off.
We're dead zombies. These are all in the trash can.
Those are all the ones you've gotten rid of? I'm going to cover up the kitty. Oh, go sleep on her. Oh, she's going to scratch your head.
They're up to space. Mother, so many
This is
zombies
awesome.
that
Okay, I got to turn it off. It's to go on all the